Hello, this is Kevin Ann at Eagle Strong Voice. It's Tuesday, September 20th. I have a breaking news announcement from the International Common Law Court of Justice. The prosecution of the Crown of England for crimes against humanity continues, notwithstanding the recent death of Elizabeth Windsor, one of the chief perpetrators of those crimes. Today, Charles Windsor, so-called King of England, was ordered to appear before a special international tribunal. This tribunal will convene on November 1st to investigate King Charles's knowledge of and complicity in crimes against humanity committed by his parents, Elizabeth and Philip Windsor, and by their church, state, and corporate accomplices. The legal notice to appear was delivered to Charles Windsor at Buckingham Palace and other locations by sheriffs of the International Common Law Court of Justice. This notice reads as follows. In accordance with international law and the verdict of this court of January 15, 2022, you, Charles Windsor, are hereby ordered to appear before a special tribunal of the court that has been convened to investigate the following criminal matters in which you are implicated by reason of your office, your family associations, and your possible personal complicity. These crimes are: 1. The abduction and permanent disappearance of 10 Indigenous children while in the company of your parents, Elizabeth and Philip Windsor, on October 10, 1964, at the Kamloops Indian Residential School in British Columbia, Canada. 2. The arrest and death by arsenic poisoning of the sole living eyewitness to these abductions, William Coombs, at St. Paul's Catholic Hospital in Vancouver, Canada, on February 26, 2011, just prior to his public testimony concerning the abduction of those children. 3. The ongoing theft, rape, sterilization, torture, ritual killing, and genocide of over 60,000 Indigenous children in Canadian Indian residential schools and hospitals established by the British Crown with the personal authorization of your mother, Elizabeth Windsor, as head of the Crown and Church of England. MurderByDecree.com. 4. The participation of your parents, Elizabeth and Philip Windsor, and other members of the royal family in England in the murderous Ninth Circle child sacrificial cult established and operated by the Roman Catholic Church. 5. The criminal conspiracy established between your mother, Elizabeth Windsor, and Joseph Ratzinger, so-called Pope Benedict, at Holyrood Castle in Edinburgh on September 16, 2010. This conspiracy was to coordinate and conceal the aforementioned genocide and Ninth Circle cult activities, and to amalgamate the Church of England with the Church of Rome in violation of Elizabeth's coronation oath and the laws of England. 6. The personal authorization by your mother, Elizabeth Windsor, for the use of Anglican children in unlawful and lethal drug testing experiments conducted by GlaxoSmithKline, Pfizer, and other pharmaceutical companies with which the British Crown is financially associated. And 7. The unlawful maintenance of the Crown of England and the British monarchy against the will of the people, the law of God, and the law passed in the British Parliament on March 17, 1649, that abolished and outlawed forever the British monarchy and made its reinstitution an act of treason and idolatry. Let it be known that the aforementioned special tribunal of this court will commence its public investigation into these matters on Tuesday, November 1st, 2022, at a place to be announced. You, Charles Windsor, are obligated by common law to appear before this tribunal to give testimony and be examined. If you fail to do so, a summons and arrest order will be issued against you. This notice to appear has universal jurisdiction and carries the full force and effect of the law. It is issued on the public record today, the 20th of September, 2022, by the International Common Law Court of Justice. PDF copies of this will be on the notice that goes up at MurderByDecree.com under ITCCS updates. Now, the November 1st tribunal asks that anyone with knowledge or evidence of Charles Windsor's complicity in any of these crimes contact the court immediately at itcccsoffice@gmail.com. Rewards and immunities from prosecution will be provided in return for such evidence. Stand by for more information and updates at MurderByDecree.com under ITCCS updates, republicofcanada.org under breaking news, and every Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern on the Voice of the Republic and the Resistance, bbsradio.com/HereWeStand. This is Kevin Annett, Eagle Strong Voice for the Court. Stand by for more.